Welcome back to Lone Star Grillz. Today, we're going to show you how to make one of our favorite snacks. This teriyaki beef jerky recipe is so addictive, you just can't make enough. Let's start with our teriyaki marinade, which is 2 cups of your favorite soy sauce, 1 cup of Worcestershire sauce, the juice from half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of coarse black pepper. Just mix that well and set it aside. Eye of round is a very well-balanced cut for beef jerky. It's lean, low cost, and has great flavor and texture. We've got just under 4 pounds here. Just remove any hard fat from the outside with a sharp knife. Once it's clean, it's time to cut. Using a meat slicer will save you time, but you can't do this with a sharp knife. You just want to cut this into about 1/8 inch slices, which is a really good thickness for jerky. Now that this is all sliced, it's time to get it into the marinade. Then cover it with plastic wrap and get it into the fridge overnight. And the next day, you can see the color this has taken on. The marinade has been fully absorbed. Now onto a very important step. We want to dry this out as much as possible. Using paper towels is the best way to go. Just continue to pat them dry until you get as much of that surface moisture off as you can. For easy transport, transfer these onto some wire racks and let them hang out while we get our smoker all set up for today's cook. We're using our pellet smoker today, and we're going to preheat to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get your jerky on and close the lid. And here's just one of the things that makes our pellet smoker stand out from the rest. You can switch to manual feed mode running at 2 to 5%, and this allows you to maintain very low temperatures as low as 140 degrees Fahrenheit as long as you're using a good quality pellet to maintain the fire. The lower temperatures can help assist in the dehydration process and also produce a better quality end result. But once again, you must be using a good quality pellet. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to stick with the 160 degree Fahrenheit auto setting, which still produces an amazing result. This will take about 4 to 6 hours, and you can tell your jerky is done when it has a dry, leathery exterior, as well as a soft, dry bend that doesn't snap or break. Then you can remove it from the cooker, allow it to rest, and make sure you grab a piece before it's all gone. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. And we'll see you on the next one.